In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion formulas to convert minutes to hours, 5 minutes. First, sign into your Notion workspace. You can use the desktop app or the browser. Either works the same for what we're doing today. Make sure you're in the workspace where your database lives so you can quickly access the table that stores your time in minutes. Next, open the page that contains your database or create a new page if you're starting from scratch. In Notion, a database might look like a table, a board, or a list, but the idea is the same. You have properties, which are the columns that store data. You'll want to have a number property that holds minutes already, often named something like minutes or total minutes. Now add a new property to the database and set its type to formula. This creates a calculated column that updates automatically based on the other data in each row. To add it, click the plus icon at the top of your table, choose formula as the property type, and you're ready to define how it calculates. Give this new property a clear name so you know exactly what it displays. Something like hours, decimal, or converted hours works well. Clear naming helps when you or your team revisit the database later. Click Edit Formula to open the formula editor, then paste or type your chosen formula. If you want decimal hours, the simplest approach is to divide your minutes by 60. For example, you can use each prop minutes from 60. If you prefer a cleaner number, you can round it, such as round prop minutes from 60, 100, 100 to show two decimal places. Either way, the formula will calculate hours from your minutes automatically for each row. Finally, make sure you replace minutes or total minutes in the formula with the exact name of your own minutes property. The spelling, capitalization, and spacing have to match. An easy tip is to click the property picker inside the formula editor and select the correct property from the list instead of typing it manually. This prevents small typos that can break the formula. As soon as the formula is set, you'll see your new hours column populate instantly. Try changing a value in your minutes column to confirm the conversion updates in real time. You can always adjust the formula later to format the output differently or add rounding to your preference. That's it. Your Notion database now converts minutes to hours automatically, keeping your time tracking clean and consistent.